Multiplication principle. Multiplication principle. So to undo division, we do the opposite and we multiply. So the rule is whatever we do to one side of the equation, we must do to the other side of the equation. So example 1, Elaine is working with a patient who has an enlarged heart due to cardiomyopathy. She has prescribed a medication that should reduce the swelling in the heart by 1/3. By doing this, she expects the inflammation will be reduced to a measure of 2. What is the current level of inflammation in the heart? So we're going to use the following equation to help us solve for the question in this scenario. So what do we have? So we have 2, right? So that's what it's going to be reduced to. We have some number, right? That then gets divided by 3, which then that, right, is equal to the left-hand side, which is 2. Now we see I divided by 3, so we do the opposite. We're going to go ahead and multiply by 3 on both sides, right? Because we do it to the right-hand side, so this just becomes 1. So we're left with I by itself. I on the right, now 3 times 2, well that's 6, and that's our solution, right? Because 6 divided by 3, right, is equal to 2, so that checks out, and we know we did it right. Now let's go ahead and look at the next example. So example 2, Adrian's on a payment plan with his medical bill. If he had 6 total payments and each one was $180, then what was Adrian's total medical bill? So we're going to use the following. So we have P divided by 6, which is equal to 180. So we do the opposite and we go ahead, right, of this division, we're going to go ahead and multiply. We multiply by 6, so then this 6, right, is just gone on the left-hand side because that's just equal to 1. 6 over 6 is just 1, so we have P on the left-hand side. Then we get our calculators out and we go 180 times 6, and we're left with 1,080. And that would be his total payment that he's going to have after all 6 payments are paid, right? Or that was the original payment, but then he had a payment plan which got him to 6 payments of $180 each. So that's how we got there.